buffing soap, lacquer thinner. Mix small amount of lacquer, thinner and buffing soap. Apply the mixture. And let the wet dry. Clean rags to wipe. See the result. Repeat what you did last summer. And let the wet dry. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. Faster, faster, faster. See now, kayo. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. It's port side time. Do it again. And let the wet dry. Do it again. Wipe it. See now, pasa pawix. Do it again. Repeat it. And let the wet dry. Wipe, 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 wipe. Hamis pasa imong oyab.